Hello guys, this is Engineer Selassie from Hello Academy and Brain Boosters. Today we are going to discuss about the type of tests we are doing on site on the delivered concrete. So we do a lot of tests like slump test, cube test, temperature test, and in addition to type of tests we are conducting on site, so what I want to discuss in this video is I will discuss a little bit about the mix design, because how the contractor bring their mix design for approval. And in the United Arab Emirates, as I have a lot of experience in the UAE, I had a chance to go with ready mix beton. That's one supplier in Dubai. So we go there and we did mix design samples in the batching plant also. So in addition to that, there is in UAE we have a tradition like the municipality, they propose every year or 6 months, something like that, they will do their mix design in their laboratory, and they will circulate for all the consultants and contractors in the UAE. They will send them the proposed mix design ratio for GGBs, OPC, microsilica, fly ash, and other components of the concrete as per the QA QC requirement and municipality requirement. They will provide us. So in this video I will try to show you the circulars and the design and I will show you also sample video while I was taking the tests on site. Let's get into it. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome. So as you can see, as I try to inform you in the introduction of this video, the main idea of this video is to show you the type of tests we are conducting on site on the occasion of delivering reinforced concrete. So we have a lot of tests. Before that, let's discuss a little bit about the mix design, because as you can see in this screen now, as in the UAE, as per my experience, there is the Dubai municipality. As you can see here, they after they conduct their test in their laboratory, this is the circular which will be circulated for all the consultants and contractors in the UAE, just the proposed mix design. So as you can see, building department, Dubai municipality, this one is July 2016, and I have also another one. This is another circular from Dubai Municipality Building Department, Research and Building System Section. This is July 2018, and every year you can go to their website and you can find the proposed amount of mix design. So for substructure, as you can see, we have this maximum water cement ratio and minimum combination content kilogram per meter cube. This is for cement. This is the composition. As you can see, PC with 66% to 80% GGBs, 36 to 55 fly ash, 36% to 65 GGBs, 26 to 35% fly ash. This is for substructure. And if you can see here, for superstructure, we have the compressive strength class in cylinder, and lowest nominal concrete cover, and maximum water cement ratio, minimum combination content kilogram per meter cube, and composition, as you can see, 26% with 35% GGBs, 16% with 20% fly ash. All these are combined with OPC. Okay, so as you can see, this is the proposed one, and as you can see, this is Portland cement, and for concrete cast against blinding, this all the what is this, you can find here. Okay, for concrete casting directly against the soil for maximum aggregate size of 20 mm inclusive of low early strength option. So this is the shortcut. You can see D, what is A, what is B, you can see. GG base is a granulated blast furnace slag. Allow for compressive strength testing at 56 days. Addition 4 to 7% silica foam for class greater than C80 is recommended. So this the same is true here. So this is a great startup because the municipalities will send you for each type of substructure and superstructure what amount of percentage you can use, and as you can see this is also the combination for GG base, for fly ash, and what percentage you should use, and the specifications are based on the requirement of BS 850001 standard. The minimum cement combination content specified is for 20 mm aggregate. OPS is standard for ordinary Portland cement. GG base is standard for granulated blast furnace slag. So in this way you can see the general law. Silica foam may be added to the concrete mix to achieve the required strength, durability requirement of any project. Testing of concrete specimen at 56 days for compressive strength may be allowed for mixes with high percentage of cement replacement. Temporary work are not part of the specification, and structural protection screed, concrete slab. The use of high percentage of GG base in concrete mix may cause difficulties in handling concrete, pumping, placing, finishing. Therefore, it is recommended to specify and accept higher slumps for such mix in order to avoid any addition of water to the concrete mix on the concrete side. Durability. The above requirements are limited to the minimum durability specification for the complete structure. Design engineer shall be consulted for the right durability specification for every project based on prevailing condition of the structure, service life, exposure condition, concrete grade, etc. And concrete cover. The minimum recommended clear concrete cover to reinforcement for the substructure is 50 mm, 75 mm, 50 mm for concrete cast against blinding, 75 mm for concrete casting directly against soil, and 30 mm for superstructure. The final concrete cover shall be specified by the design engineer based on structural and durability consideration of the building. So this is the circular, and as you can see this is a good starting point for the consultants. And the structural engineer also, they propose their mixed design. As you can see here, for example, location for blinding C20 and minimum compressive strength 20 Newton per millimeter square megapascal, minimum cement content 280 kg per meter cube, maximum water cement ratio, composition. As you can see, you can read and go through for foundation, retaining wall, RC wall, and everything is given. And for superstructure is also the same is true. You can see for RC wall grade C60, slab beam C50, stair C50, FC prime, and minimum cement content, water cement ratio, and Portland cement with GG base percentage are also given, as you can see here. So in the general note you can find in any structural design they will give. And the other type of tests which is recommended, as you can see, we have durability requirement, and we have the durability criteria maximum at 28 days, and cement, this is element member. Substructure, for substructure we have water absorption test, water permeability test, RCP test. This is in column, this is in percentage, and this is in mm. For raft and pile cap, as you can see, the percentage is 1.5 for this is almost 1.5 for all external wall, column walls and water tanks. This is what we expect, and water permeability is 10, and RCP is like this. And other durability for superstructure, water absorption, water permeability, and RCP is the same. So as you can see, durability test, water absorption test, water penetration test, and rapid chloride permeability test, this one shall be carried out for every 500 meter cube of concrete unless approved by the engineer. 30-minute water absorption test to BS 1881 part 1983, water permeability test to DIN 1048 part 105 1991, rapid chloride permeability test to ASTM C1202 1991. So in this way we can get information about the mix design, but the contractors are they will propose their mix design. So as I told you, I had experience in when I was working in high-rising building in Business Bay area for Akorma shelter. I was there an engineer, so as a consultant engineer I went to ready mixed beton with the concrete company, delivery company. So we went to their batching plant and we make some batching plant and mix design, okay, with the contractor. I was witnessing there, so I'm going to show you. And some of the mix designs the contractor submit for our approval, I will show you as well in the next slide. And let's go and see. So as I told you, the contractor is not obliged to follow the circulars. The circulars are just the starting point for the contractors to follow. But if the contractor in some reason they cannot follow this, they have to go to the mix design. So they have to make mix design in the presence of the consultant engineer, and then they have to send it for the approval of the consultant and the client, and the client representatives as well. So as per my experience, I had experience with ready mix beton, and this was a concrete delivery company. So this is sample which I have. So this was the proposed mix design, then the compliance statement, coarse and fine aggregate test report, cement, GG base, microsilica test result, water test report, admixture technical data sheet, and Dubai Municipality Gold Award. This was their how they submit, okay? This is how they submit. So as you can see, I brought it here just for you. For example, this was I work in this project. This was one of my projects. And for example, for C20, the slump height is 180 plus or minus 40, water cement ratio, a specific cube strength 20 Newton per millimeter square, and something like that. So the material detail, as you can see, the material we have sand, duna sand, crushed aggregate, and sources from where they're gonna bring. This is from Rags, this is Align, Aldai, UAQ, Steven Rock, Rags. These are the places where they brought, okay? And as you can see, the quantity kilogram per meter cube, this amount, specific gravity, volume, moisture, everything you can see, okay? And estimated density, and sieve analysis, combined grades, as you can see, notes you can read. They have not the strength indicated is 150 mm, cube strengths are 28 days, the durability criteria, RCP, water absorption, water permissibility, all these kind of tests. As you can see, they will submit like this. This is for C50 and C20, the slump height, water cement ratio, and this is also all the proposed mix design, as you can see. And here the durability test, RCP, everything is included. And this is for C6020, OPC plus GGPS plus microsilica, and all the rock foundation retaining wall, specific cube strengths, slump, water cement ratio. All this is proposed. It might be approved or rejected by the consultant engineer, and I will show you in a minute. This is how concrete mix design submitted. So I myself witnessed this mix design. I went to the batching plant, and all this C20 400 OPC, and as you can see, compliance statement. They will the compliance cement type, OPC GG base as per project requirement, OPC per kilogram per meter cube, how much is required. It is complied, it will be microsilica, it will be checked like this. Total cementitious content, maximum aggregate size, water cement ratio, target slump, maximum concrete temperature, specific characteristics, strength, durability limit. So all this will be checked with the specification, project specification, whether Dubai Municipality Circular 202 for green concrete requirement, or project specification. If there is anything mentioned about the OPC and GG base, the contractor should comply all these requirements. And as you can see, for everything they will send us in this form. Okay, they will send us in this form. This is all course. This is for fine aggregate and for coarse aggregate. So the report will be submitted like this, and as you can see, this is for test result. This is also test the soundness of aggregate. I will not go through in depth, just this is an highlight how mixed designs are approved before we go to test. So we can continue like this. Okay, this is one submittal. As you can see, this will be submitted to the consultant engineer. I work in NEB, so I have to review it myself, and I have to check it with the specification, project specification, local authority requirements, all the tests one by one for the gravel, for the sand and everything will be checked like this. And after that, once the contractor send us once the contractor they send us the detailed proposed mix design, then what we do, this is also admixture. The admixture they are going to use is Complast P505, as you can see, and we will go through and read all the requirements, the specification, description, usage. After that, what we do, and after they conduct the mix design, they will send us the report. Okay, so this is, as you can see, this was my name, this Mr. Selassie. This was my comment at that time. Mix design to comply with project specification, Dubai requirement, Dubai Circular 202 June 2016 and Circular 2005 July 2018, and revised percentage of GG base. Please find attached comments. So we will give them our comment, And for example, as per project specification volume 3 civil general specification section 03300 cast in place concrete subsection 3.15 field quality control, the strength of each concrete mix will be satisfactory if every average of any three consecutive compressive strength tests equals or exceed a specified compressive strength and no compressive strength test value falls below specified compressive strength by more than 3.4 megapascal or 500 psi. Mix designed to comply with project specification, DM requirements, circular 202 June 2016 and circular 205 July 2018. Revision percentage of GGBS. Engineer reserves the right to instruct for change in the mix design at any time if satisfactory results are not achieved at site. No concrete work will be permitted when ambient temperature is above 40 degrees centigrade. Temperature placement shall not exceed 32 degrees centigrade. Starter for mix design marked on each sheet. Contractor responsible to ensure compliance with DM regulation and green building requirement at all time. The final approval will be based on the trial mix and its results and satisfactory performance of mix design. Contractor to arrange trial mix at batching plant in the presence of engineer, so I already witnessed myself. Technical data for concrete adhesive to be submitted with the mix design. As you have seen now, any adhesive or everything they have to send us. Trial mix for concrete should be conducted before commencement of work, and this is my signature. And as you can see, they have to follow the municipality regulations, and as we have seen this already, and in the general comment. Then from the supplier, just in our case this is ready mix beton, they will submit this is for example C60 OPC plus GGBS plus microsilica substructure. This is for raft, foundation, retaining wall, water tank, column, shear wall and coral. C50 and 20 again OPC, GGBS plus microsilica substructure. This is a slab, beam, lintel, staircase and step and ramp. Again C60 20 OPC, GGBS superstructure, column and coral. C50 20 OPC plus GGBS super its substructure, and all this will be, and this is the result. As you can see, this is 7 days result after we take the tests, and the contractor will send us the compressive strength test, and everything is written here. For example, plant trial mix 1, specified strength is Newton per millimeter square 60 megapascal. Mix design is OPC, GGBS, microsilica. Ambient temperature, placement temperature, air content, and the time it was taken, slump 230. Okay, and the manual and tamping rod and cube dimension and the code BS 1881 part 101 1983, and the contractor will send this test report once it's taken, and they will send us the test report like this. This is 7 days, this is 28 days. As you can see, it is 84 megapascal Newton per millimeter square, and expected one is 60 megapascal. And this one is also raft foundation, and this is what the report on depth of penetration of water under pressure. This is Wimpy Laboratories, and they send like this, you see. So this one is appearance of specimen and direction of application of water pressure with respect to the casting direction, water penetration depth, you see. So durability criteria, water permeability minimum maximum 10 mm, but for us is 6. So the same is true here. Maximum water absorption is 1.5, but we have 0.8 as you can see. and rapid chloride permissibility maximum 1000 column, and for us is here. So in this way all the tests and chloride content base 1881 part 124 1980 Cl 10.2 in percentage, you see sulfate content also, and the same is true. This is for 7 days, this is for the other substructure and slump, this is for specific strength is 50, and in this way everything will be submitted to the consultant approval, and it's once approved, then once it's approved, then the contractor is ready to go and they can deliver concrete. So at this point I will show you my experience when the concrete delivered on site. We are going to perform slump test and temperature test, and we're gonna take cube samples as well as per the project specification. Maybe every 100 meter cube as per the code we will take 6 sample or 9 sample for concrete 7 days, 14 days and 21 days compressive strength test, and the temperature and everything will be checked at site level. So that is it. Let's go and see the field practice.
Nine 74 million.
Okay. And
It's 9
thank you. Slump is 180, yeah? 180 plus or minus 4. Okay.